Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing my first Miu Miu bag. Now in my last video, I featured a couple of Miu Miu bags in my summer bag trends video. You guys will have to see what I picked here. But before we do, I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Let's get right into the unboxing. Now I decided to order this online. I haven't seen it because it's pretty much still in the original box, but I will say their packaging, I'm obsessed with the pink. You guys already know I'm all about pinks lately. So cute. I will say this is one of the prettiest packaging. I love it. It's like this. Okay, I haven't opened it, so I don't know what this looks like yet, but I am so excited. Oh, it's such a pretty dust bag. I'm so used to the white dust bag that I get with all the other brands. Ah, it's so pretty. Okay, guys, we've got the pouch. This is so cute. Look at that. And it's like a deep brown briarwood, they call it. But I want to show you guys. I love it. This is so cute. I was thinking about the suede, but I ultimately decided to go with the leather. It's a little bit of an understated logo in the front there. And let's see. I don't think you guys are surprised, are you? Because I was really obsessing over this particular bag. But let's see. Wow. Yeah, it's like right underneath your shoulder. And I'm gonna be honest, this bag I want to use as more of a bag in a bag for my work bags, because you guys know I have my Coach bag that is my top work bag. So let me grab that really quick. The Coach Empire, which is certainly a big bag, great for work, and I'm just gonna plop that baby in there. Okay, yes, it totally fits. So at work, I go to like a lot of meetings, so I need to put things like my phone, any connectors, just all in there. I just like to have something that's a little bit more understated than some of the other like pouches that have all the designer logos on it. So I really like this one. And of course, you guys know I love brown. So I want to show you a quick what fits in my bag. I was telling you about the connectors for work. I always have to connect my laptop to the TV and whatnot. So I have, this is essential for my work bag. Putting in my wallet. I use my Calvi all the time. It's got my IDs. I decided to put like a phone charger and a phone. Still plenty of space. And then a lip gloss or the lip balm. This is the newest Summer Fridays Guava. Excited to use this. And that fits plenty of room. Look at that. It's really spacious, very nice pouch. And here we go. But this is it, guys. I'm super excited. Let's just take off some of this packaging so I can show you more of the bag. Oh, okay. It's got like a little bit of a leather tab there. I just really like how it's your perfect summer bag. Just fits nicely. It's not too snug. Here's my armpit, and you still have a couple of inches room. Oh yeah, that's so cute. All about those summer vibes. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you a quick mod shot. I'm just wearing my Ralph Lauren polo shirt in the fabulous light pink color with my AG jeans and some Oasis sandals. So here's the fabulous Miu Miu bag, and we'll just get a close up. I just really like the way it drapes. Just nice under the armpit. It's not too tight. It's got a little bit of a gap there, you can see. And it's like that grab and go type of bag. Really loving that. It's more understated. Perfect summer bag. And the price on this wasn't too bad. It was like $1,200. So for me, summer bag, and I'm really curated at this point my collection of what I bring in, so I thought this was like a no-brainer for me. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. I'm really loving this one, and I'll have some other close-up shots for you guys, but it's so cute. I would say if you're looking for a summer bag, it's in a cute cylinder shape and understated, and I know Miu Miu is really hot out there, and so this is my first one, but I think it's a good one. I think the suede one is so cute, but I really don't need another suede bag. I do still have my Kate one that I love in the coffee suede, but I think this is perfect. Just, it's like that nice dark brown. I think the similar brown shade I have to that would be my Bottega Veneta. This is interesting because this is the fondant color from Bottega, and then this Briarwood, it's almost got more of a chocolatey brown vibes, I would say, whereas fondant is more, I'd say darker, like dark chocolate. This is more like milk chocolate. So what do you guys think of that? And since I'm here, and I know it's different materials, but this is my coffee suede that I was talking about earlier, and I love a good shade comparison. So those look even closer, I think, in colorway, just different materials. I really like that. Do you guys have Miu Miu? What do you think of the brand? I know my fellow luxe lover, Cece, from Girl Gone Luxe, she has a beautiful Miu Miu bag, and that's another great style. I just like the way that the leather and the draping on their handbags, it's just such a chic type of brand. So here's the inside of the bag. Is this cute logo, and it's just the cloth inside, and it's one big pouch pocket on the inside, which I like. And the zipper, to me, it's pretty seamless, pretty easy, seamless type of like that. And this is without any of that stuffing that it came with. So, and I think it will pretty much just hold that shape, especially if I don't have a whole lot in it. Hey guys, it's been about a week since I've unboxed and used this handbag, so I did want to give you guys a quick update in case you are looking to purchase this handbag. As you guys know, I use this handbag as a bag in a bag for my work bag. This handbag I take to all of my work meetings, and so far so good. I am really loving it. Now there are few things that I think you guys really should know when it comes to this handbag. The inside of this bag, it's material. So let me just take this out here. It's not leather on the inside. With that cloth material, I like to put a mini pouch just to protect this from any of my lip glosses. In fact, this, I have the lip gloss from Summer Fridays in there right now. And this is just a pouch I have from Dress Up Your Purse, but I think it's the perfect size, and still this bag fits everything, like my phone, pens, any accessories for work. It's perfect. The other key call out, I don't know if you guys remember when I unboxed the Row 90s bag in the burnt wood color. That was back about a year ago. That handbag, very similar, but you guys, I no longer have that handbag because I have this bag. They're super similar, but the key difference is, for me, it's the width. This is about 8.5 inches. The Row 90s is about 7.5, and I find that the inch of difference is key. When I had the Row 90s, I did similar treatment of using that as a work bag in a bag, and it was so compact at times because I was trying to fit everything with the lip gloss, the pouch, the phone, all of my connectors, you name it, and it just was not as great of an experience. And I was like, if only that bag had a little bit more width, it would have been perfect. And here we are, we have the Miu Miu bag. So I can't say enough good things about it. And I will say the very last thing, and this is probably more for a proper wear and tear after a couple months of use, right? I do notice that it's a leather, and it can get a little bit of those light mark scratches just from being in your bag and you're going in and out. And so I'll see if you guys can see a little bit marks there. To me, it doesn't bother me because I just think it's gonna be natural wear and tear with this leather, but I did want to call that out. But otherwise, loving this handbag, and I hope that helped. Okay guys, well that is it for today's video. Let me know what you think of my first Miu Miu bag. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.